Do you know why it's really important to be able to control the volume of your hands independently? Let me show you one short example. First, I will play with the volume control. And now I will play it again, but all notes will be at the same level. Do you hear the difference? It completely lacks the energy and it's kind of boring. So when you are able to control the volume, you can put accents on specific notes and differentiate leading notes of a melody from the background. So in case of this short example I played, right hand is much stronger since it carries out the melody. And in the left hand I put an accent on first and the last note of each arpeggio. So at the beginning I have an arpeggio in B minor. So I play louder this first B here, then I play softer, and the last B is also louder. So in the end, instead of this, I have this. And the question is how to learn to control the volume. I know it's not easy at the beginning, especially if you try to play both hands with different volume. Today's lesson will be focused on getting the feel of different volumes with both hands, using only octaves. I will use only two levels of volume, quiet and loud. There are more of course, but let's start slow. Also, today I will attach the volume level to the whole hand, not to separate fingers. This will come in the next lesson, so don't forget to subscribe to be notified when it's ready. Okay, let's start. The pattern will be very similar in all exercises. I will play octaves in both hands starting with C and going up through all the keys. I will stop at F, but for your training, use whole octave up to the next C. So to feel the volume difference, check what level you can get with this left hand octave. So start with very soft playing and increase it to the level that is loud for you. Try to remember the strength you put on the keys. For the right hand, try to achieve quiet sound. So we have loud left hand and quiet right hand. And now, very slowly, let's go right with these octaves one by one. So, strong left hand and soft right hand. Next note, strong left hand and soft right hand. And so on. Start slow and then try to increase the tempo, keeping in mind that left hand should be loud and right quiet. And now let's go back, starting with quiet right hand and loud left. Of course, for your training, use the whole octave. Now let's reverse the levels. So left hand will be quiet and right hand will be loud. So again, start with soft playing and try to reach the level which is loud. So let's go up with quiet left hand and loud right hand. And now going back with loud right hand and quiet left hand. In the next exercise, I will split the octave into two separate notes, but the rest is the same. So let's start with loud left and quiet right hand, but instead of playing whole octave, I'm playing separate notes. So both left hand notes are loud, and both right hand notes are quiet. And back. Now the reverse. Quiet left and loud right hand. And back. And the last exercise for today. Combining both hands together. So the goal now is to be able to play these octaves at the same time but with different volume. So either right hand or left hand will be louder. I know it's hard at the beginning, but the previous exercise can be really helpful here. Start playing these octaves separately. Left hand loud and right hand quiet on the same note. Do it multiple times and increase the tempo so both hands will be getting closer together. At some point you will feel that you have control over the volume, separately for both hands. And it will just click and you will play them together. Your brain needs some time to develop this feeling, so don't give up too easily. And now let's use this pattern to go up. So left hand is loud, and at the same time right hand is quiet. And back. And now the reverse. So left hand is quiet, and right hand is loud. And back. And that's all for today. Keep practicing because in the next video I will focus on different volume levels in one hand. So don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.